The plane manager allows you to create a series of planes that you can then use in the cutting plane view. So on the home tab, I'm going to click plane manager, and I'm going to start by picking a new and creating a new plane. You can give it a name, and you want to name these, so I'm just going to call this north axis, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a plane perpendicular to the north axis. So when I select that, it's going to ask me for a position. So it needs to be a 3D position, so I'm going to pick over here in my 3D view a point where it's going to start that plane. So that's the northing, easting, and the elevation of that plane. Now you can also create subplanes or other planes as well. You can do different methods of creating the plane. You can even do a linear path. You can also create subplanes where I could pick a starting point. Let's say that I want to start here, and an ending point, I want to end back here. And then I can also add a start and an end point plane, and then even generate sub planes as well. So maybe I want one every 10 feet. I can click and add that. So now you'll see I have a plane every 10 feet. I'm going to close this, and then we'll take a look at the cutting plane view.